Today, WestJet and Sunwing have reached an agreement under which WestJet will acquire Sunwing Vacations and Sunwing Airlines. Following the close of this transaction, WestJet will create a new tour operating business which will include both Sunwing Vacations and WestJet Vacations. This is an exciting moment for our companies, our guests, and the Canadian travel industry. A stronger WestJet and Sunwing will bring much needed stability to the Canadian airline industry, drive growth and job creation at a critical time in recovery. The past 2 years have been incredibly challenging for our guests, communities, and the greater Canadian travel and tourism industry. By bringing together two of Canada's business success stories, Canadians will have access to more competitive airfares and affordable vacation packages through the combined strength of both powerhouse brands. WestJet is one of the very few airlines that did not receive any sector-specific federal funding or support. Further, upon closure of this transaction, Sunwing's funding from the federal government will be repaid. For the past 26 years, WestJet has brought more choices and lower fares to Canadians, and we look very much forward to a stronger future together.